everyone! Welcome to Game Day with me and Addy. We're gonna play games today, and you can play with us! Let's go! Today we're going to learn cool moves, play games, and win together. We'll do the statue game, jumping challenge, and running race. But first, are you ready to play? I didn't hear you! Yeah, I heard you that time! Before we play, let's warm up our bodies. Follow along with us. First, let's stretch up high! Reach as high as you can. Stretch those arms. Can you feel the stretch? Good job! Now reach down to your toes. Don't worry if you can't touch. Just try your best. Great job warming up! Now we're ready for the games. Okay, first game is the statue game. Do you know how to play? I'll explain. When the music plays, we dance. We dance like this when music plays. And when it stops, you freeze like a statue. Let's practice. Dance with us when the music plays. Come on, dance! Here we go again. Keep dancing. Did you freeze like a statue? Let's see if you can do it one more time. Try the craziest pose you can think of. You did it! Great job! You're awesome at statue game! Ready for the next challenge? Next game is all about jumping. There are different ways to jump. We're going to teach you 3 types of jumps. Watch carefully. Jump number 1, feet stay together. Now you try with us. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect! You got it! Jump number 2, 1 foot hop. Balance on 1 foot, then hop. Let's try the left foot now. Balance and hop. Great balance. Jump number 3, star jump. This is the big one. Now let's do all 3 jumps in a row. Ready? Whoa! Awesome jumping. Now ready to run? We're gonna have a running race. But we're running in place, so you can do it at home too. Let me show you the right way to run in place. Watch my feet. See? Knees go up. Now let's try slow running. Follow along. Knees up, arms pumping, you got it. Great, now let's go a little faster. Medium speed. Keep going, you're doing great. Now fast, race me. Go, go, go. Whew, that was fast. You did such a good job running with us. Take a deep breath. 3 games done, but we have one more big challenge. It's called the obstacle course. Are you ready? The obstacle course combines everything we learned. Watch us first. We'll do statue jumping and running all together. Then you try. Here we go. Frozen. Jump zone. Bah! Sprint time. Go, 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 go. Now it's your turn. Can you do the obstacle course? Remember, statue, jumping, and running. Let's do it together. Ready, Addy? You bet, Lena. Let's go explore. This is awesome. We have one more game. It's the circle jump challenge. A circle will appear and we have to jump inside it. Ready? Ooh! On 3. 1, 2, 3. We did it! Now you try. Imagine a circle on your floor and jump into it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're champions! And so are you! Thank you so much for playing with us today. You were amazing! Moves, statue, jumping, running, and the circle challenge. Come play with us again soon. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye! Hey, friends! Today is so special. We made a song for you. It's called Shadow Dance Magic. You can sing and dance. Ready? Watch the shadows glow and shine. They'll teach the moves. It's song time. Let's go. Look behind you. What do you see? A glowing shadow dancing with me. Watch it closely. Follow along. Jump to the rhythm of our song. 3, 2, 1, jump! Shadow dance. Shadow dance, magic in the air. Move your body everywhere. Move your body everywhere. Shadow dance, shine so bright. Dancing together feels so right. Okay, next move. Step to the left, step to the right. 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 Wave your arms with all your might. Shadow shows you what to do. Copy the moves, me and you. Shadow dance, magic in the air. Move your body everywhere. Shadow dance, shine so bright. Dancing together feels so right. Right. Show the world how great you are. Arms out wide, feel so free. Dancing shadows, you and me. Shadow dance, magic in the air. Move your body everywhere. We can jump, we can step, we can spin. We're the best. Shadow dance, shine so bright. We're dancing friends and that's just right. Yeah! You did it! Sing with us again. We love dancing with you. Bye, friends! Ooh. Look up high, what do you see? A rainbow shining bright and free. 7 colors in the sky. Let's dance the rainbow, you and I. Whoa, red! It is strong, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, feel the power in the beat. Stomp it left, stomp it right. Red gives us the strength to fight. Orange, yeah! Orange is fun, clap your hands. Clap, clap, dancing together across the lands. Clap up high, clap down low. Orange makes our friendship grow. Yellow, sunshine! Yellow shines, jump like stars. Jump, jump, reaching up to where you are. Arms and legs spread open wide. Yellow fills us up with pride. Green, nature! Green is growing, sway like trees, moving gently in the breeze.
Sway so calm, left and right. Green helps us to feel just right.
Blue, like water! Blue like water, make a wave! Wave, wave! Flowing smooth and feeling brave. Wave your arms like ocean tides. Blue is where our calm resides. Indigo, twilight! Indigo night, twist around. Twilight magic, hear the sound. Twist your body left and right. Indigo brings the starry night. Violet magic dreams. Violet dreams spin and soar. Magic moments we adore. Spin around with all your might. In the light. Rainbow dance, colors in the sky. Red, orange, yellow, shining high. Green, blue, indigo tonight. Violet makes our rainbow bright. All together, hand in hand. What makes us strong? Red. What makes us fun? White. What makes us shine? Yellow, yellow. What makes us grow? Yellow. What brings the night? Indigo. What makes us dream?